Good morning children. So yesterday I gave you explanation regarding the number system, and in that I explained you how to write the numbers in words, and previous classes onwards I am explaining you how to write the numbers in words and expanded form and short form. Okay, today no, directly what you do means while listening this clipping, what you have to do means take your homework notebooks. Okay, in homework write today's date and keep the heading chapter 2. And after that section 1, 2, from section 1 to open textbook page number 54 and 1 and 2. So overall each section you are having 6 sums. Okay, so section 1 first sum I will write it on the board. Along with me you also have to write. And second sum, section 2 also second sum I will write it on the board. Along with me you also have to copy it. Okay, so after this, so you remember now, question have to write with the black pen and answer with the blue pen. Okay, shall we start now? Okay, today you are going to begin textbook page number 54, section 1, section 2 as a homework. Do it neatly children, and after doing your homework, take one small pic and send to me the clipping to my WhatsApp number. Okay, so now first one, section in page number 54. The section 1 heading, what is asking is insert commas according to the Indian system and write the number names. Okay, insert commas according to the Indian system. So the first one, the number A is 3, 5, 4, 6, 2, 1. Write this with black ink pen. Okay, now answer. Now start writing with blue pen children. Start writing along with me. 3, 5, 4, 6, 2, 1. So according to Indian system, have to insert the commas. So according to Indian system, from your right hand side, last 3 digits, leave last 3 digits 1, 2, 3 and put the comma. After that 2 digits have to leave children. Okay, how much big number it will be? Leave 2 digits and insert the comma. So leave 2 digits 1 and 2, put the comma. Okay, after writing this, then second step is write the place values on the above number. So write along with me. Ones, you also say repeat and write. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. Okay, after writing this, give one finger gap and put is equal to, give one finger gap and put is equal to, start writing from lakhs place value in words. So in lakhs place value, what is the number is there? 3. So write 3 spelling. THREE, 3, in which place value? Lakhs place value. So write lakhs. LAKHS, lakhs. 3 lakhs. Then in thousands place, whatever the number may be, that have to read together. So this is 54. FIFTY 4, in which place value? Thousands place value. So write down THOUSAND, 1000. 54,000. After 6 is in hundreds place? No. So write SIX 6, HUNDRED 100, 600, and last 2 digits together have to read 21. ANDTWENTY 21. Right children, after that I will explain you how to write the numerals in section 2. Copy it fasting. Okay, in section 2 also, first sum. Section 2 heading is in the expanded form. Okay, write in the expanded form. And in this, the first number is, copy this heading with black pen and now copy the sum answer with black pen too. 3, 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Now, answer. Same, write the same number again. 3, 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. And above these digits, write the place value from the right hand side to left. Okay? Start writing. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. After that, leave one finger gap and put is equal to, start write the numbers from lakhs place value. So in lakhs place value, what is the number is there children? First 3 is there now. So write 3 into. Okay, 3 into. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many digits are there? 6. Because 3 is in 10 lakhs place, no. So 1 after, write 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus, put plus symbol children. Next, what the number is there? 5. So 5 into 1 after how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put plus symbol. Next number is 6. So write 6 into. 6 into 6 after how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 after 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next plus. What is the number is there? 4. So write 4. 4 into 4 after how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So 1 after 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Next plus 3 is there now. Write plus 3 into 1, 0, 0. 2 zeros. Because 2 zeros are there now. So 2 zeros. Plus 2 into 1, 0. 10. Plus 1. 2 into 10 plus 1. Okay, copy it neatly children. 2 into 10 plus 1. Now multiply this all. 3 ones are 3. So 3 after 6 zeros. Write 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put plus symbol. 5 after 5 zeros. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 6 after 4 zeros. 6 ones are 6 and 0, 0 now. 6 after 4 zeros. Write 4 zeros and keep plus symbol. Next 4. 4 ones are 4 and 3 zeros. Plus 3 ones are 3 and 2 zeros. Plus 2 tens are 20 plus 1. Okay, so like this, how to write in the expanded form. Okay, so today textbook page number 54, section 1, section 2, you will be get it as a homework. Remaining 5 sums, write neatly in homework book. Okay children.